Imagine a human heart continuing to beat even after being removed from the body. It sounds like a scene from a movie, but it is a real physiological phenomenon rooted in how the heart works. Unlike most organs, the heart contains its own electrical pacemaker cells, allowing it to generate rhythmic contractions without direct commands from the brain. Inside the heart, specialized nodes fire, tiny electrical impulses that travel through cardiac muscle, causing synchronized pumping. Because of this internal wiring, a heart supplied with oxygenated blood and proper electrolytes can continue beating for minutes or even hours outside the body under controlled conditions. Scientists often demonstrate this during cardiac research and transplantation procedures, where the heart remains functional on specialized machines known as heart-lung bypass devices. These machines keep the blood circulating, maintain temperature, and provide oxygen, allowing surgeons time to operate safely. In medical schools, preserved animal hearts can also show spontaneous beating when exposed to certain solutions, highlighting just how autonomous cardiac tissue really is. While this does not mean a heart could survive independently for long in open air, the underlying principle is the same. The heart is electrically self-sufficient and mechanically resilient, which is why it can keep beating briefly even after removal from the body. But what about real-life applications? In modern organ transplants, surgeons remove the donor's heart and keep it beating using advanced machines, known as organ care systems. These systems maintain warm, oxygen-rich blood flow, simulate natural conditions, and prevent tissue damage, greatly increasing the survival window for successful transplantation. This technology has transformed how cardiac procedures are performed around the world. Beyond surgery, researchers study these autonomous beating patterns to better understand arrhythmias, sudden cardiac arrest, and how pacemaker devices interact with living tissue. Experiments on isolated hearts help scientists refine medications, test surgical techniques, and develop more reliable artificial hearts for future patients. However, it is important to note that although the heart can beat on its own, it cannot survive indefinitely without proper blood flow, nutrients, and controlled temperature. Outside those conditions, tissue begins to fail rapidly. So while the idea of a heart beating outside the body is both shocking and fascinating,
yes,
it is not magical or supernatural.
We should increase the
It is a
dopamine
powerful
concentration.
reminder of how complex and self-regulating our biology truly is. This unique ability continues to save thousands of lives through